telling myself I need to whip up a DIY Thieves soft scrub. Then I looked in the cleaning cabinet. These guys are sitting there. My DIY dishwasher detergent contains citric acid and baking soda. This bottle, this glorious bottle, contains my diluted Thieves. I don't need anything else to tackle this nasty sink, or a bathtub, or a toilet. Yeah, so much more than a dishwasher detergent. I'll show you what I mean. Oh yeah, I don't have money to waste. I assume that you don't either. That's what the lifestyle choice is all about. Unfortunately, we live in a day and time where we have to make a choice between clean, organic food when we go shopping and whatever you want to call the rest. Well, our personal care products, our cleaning, those wonderful fragrances that we have all over our home, and so many more. The same choices apply to those. I encourage you to make good choices. Go directly to www.myyl.com/Kimberly Mosier. Select your premium starter kit. Enter enroller/sponsor ID 141-00388. Complete your Essential Rewards membership. That is a monthly auto shipment that's going to keep you supplied with whatever product you need, whether it's, body care, personal care, cosmetics, cleaning, something to diffuse to make your home fresh, clean, and smell wonderful without harmful chemicals and added toxins. Once you've done that, and by the way, that is a minimum monthly order of $50, and I'm guessing you spend that on your wallflowers alone. Am I right? So, when you've set that up, you've committed to a better, cleaner lifestyle, a healthier, oily lifestyle, we like to call it. I'll credit your account. $25 back. This is for my new members only. Can't beat that. Who else is going to do that? Make a clean start today on my team.